Hello, am I audible, visible? Okay, this video is going to be very important. Okay, this video, I will talk about the ground realities for next 3 to 4 days. I will not post any video, but I will allocate who has what job to do, and accordingly, government and other setup distributors, everyone will work. Okay, I will. So this is the ground reality video. You will also get this video on my YouTube channel. Okay, you can go to YouTube, type Swarijit Banerjee. There you will get this video, or directly from Instagram. The link is given. From there also you can get this video, or other videos are also there. Okay, now why this thing is important? Before that, why this video is important? Ki war is always temporary. I'm not a military man. War is temporary. It can last for 20 days, 40 days, 60 days, but it has no impact, but it's going to destabilize economy. It's as simple as that. आप लोग को क्या करना है? It's not about destabilizing economy. It's like finishing of the economy, putting a dead button, finishing of the economy, and the associate partner who is supporting, उसको भी आप लोगों को खत्म करना है. Destabilize नहीं करना है, खत्म करना है. What you will do, how you will do, who are responsible, everything I will say over here. So understand this thing well. What does this mean? Inverted duty structure of China. What does that mean? That means they are dumping the products in our country. Okay? What does that mean? What are the products that they are dumping? Are they food products? Had it been so, that would not have uh, been a very bigger inertia. Non-food products, how you will understand? Go to Ministry of Commerce China page, take out the report. I have analyzed it. Otherwise, today I told you I will only talk about ground reality things. Top 6 7 products which are imported by India, I have analyzed. Which are imported by US government, I have analyzed. I have imported by UK government, I have analyzed. It's as simple as that. So largely what can be done? One thing where geopolitics can come into place is that I was actually seeing the fiscal deficit reports of US government, Europe, our UK government, European Union. We have excellent friendly relations with them. There I analyzed the first 6 to 7 things which are imported from China, and accordingly how you can backlash this problem. That I have analyzed. That I will say over here. No war is required. Nothing. We are here not to destabilize economy. अंदर से उसको खत्म करना है. Completely dead. How is it so? Okay, so let's get started. What is inverted duty structure? What does that mean? Had it been that they are importing low cost products in our country, low cost food products, salt, XYZ, apple, rice, all those products, that would not have been detrimental, because we have people of every strata who consume goods. Rich people will not consume, poor people will consume, middle class will not consume, semi middle class will consume. It's not going to impact our economy. The 6 7 things which are coming, 70 to 80 to 85% are semiconductor products. The whole chain process of semiconductor products. 5% are the organic segmentations which we generate from oil economy, the oil sector. You can see the report. I have done that work for you. 5 to 7%. Toluene, benzene, solvents, all those products are there. Acrylamine, the ATF sulfur, they have that Z2SO. It's a black agent that is also coming from there. That we can, coming 2 to 3 to 4%, we can stabilize our oil segmentations, we can stabilize our upstream economy, and we can give a blow to China. It's as simple as that. It's all starting with the solvent products, not FPSO segmentation, nothing related with the ATS sulfur, nothing related with your upstream segmentations that we have, nothing. 3 to 4% of the solvent products, the butanol, acrolein, methyl xanthonate, all those products they are bringing. That we can give a direct blow. One, nothing important. Second, the semiconductors, 80 to 85% are ruled by semiconductors. Okay, what does that mean? I will talk about semiconductor policy later. What does that mean? What is a semiconductor? The distributors and all those people who uh, do not know. Okay, so semiconductors are, आप लोगों का काम क्या है, पहले ये मुझे बताओ. You are here not to become electronics engineer. Your job is to follow the protocol, follow the steps way by, and destroy the economy. That is your job. How you will do that, I will say. Got it? What are semiconductors? Those who do not know, very brief, I will go. Semiconductors, it's between conductors and it between the insulators. So sometimes it has 4 valency electron in the first phase. Okay, those who know the chemicals, the structure, orbital structure, it has 4 orbital in the outer space. Sometimes it's called plutoning. That is done to increase the valence shell so that we can increase the conductivity. Sometimes it's called newtoning. Plutoning, newtoning, it's reducing the valence shell so that it acts as an insulator. Where is it used? Basic thing, ICT components, our computer design segmentations, artificial intelligence chips, industries, factories, all these segmentations which which will deliver India's economy, these things are required. The hydrated chips for water, and all those segmentations, these things are required. Nothing more than that. Means you do not have to become electronics engineer if you want to destroy someone's economy. You do not have to sit with books and do mathematics. Only thing that you need, what are my products which are coming to India? What is inverted duty structure? What does that mean? It means at low cost, at low countervailing duty, at low price segmentations under section 373 of the Uruguay round World Trade Organization, clear specification, they are dumping it in India. What does that mean? It's non-food component. It's used in our ICT product. It's used in India's semiconductor cells. It's used in our say artificial intelligence, big data, all these setups. It's used in our computers. It's used in our data structures which are storing information. Understand the impact. It's not about fiscal deficit. It's about controlling the system from inside. These things are installed in India, in industries, in factories, in ICT processors, in data security centers. There someday some foreign countries, they may know our own personal data, based on which we design our national security, based on which we design every orientations of public policy, based on which we design every sector of, say, green agriculture system, AI modernization. So what that does that mean? China's products are inside US economy. They are inside European Union economy. They are inside India's economy. It's not a matter of fiscal deficit. It's controlling the system with low products, which will galvanize India's future. It will galvanize US future. It will galvanize UK future. That is controlled with cheap products. It's not about fiscal deficit. It's very huge. It's very huge. I'm making cheap components. I'm selling it in foreign countries. The control system the control servers, microprocessors, digital engineering, fintech banking systems. Each and every sector I am controlling with my cheap products. What will you do? Replacement. First is replacement, second is market capturing. Now I am not thinking as India state of mind. Now I am thinking as a businessman state of mind. How will you leverage? How will you design? First thing, thanks to our very honorable PM sir's direction, he has introduced many plants and many other things. Okay, but what is important now, I'm coming to the point. Within 2 months, 3 months, understand this is for distributors, within 2 months, 3 months, we will have 3, 4, 5 semiconductor capacity institutions installed in India. Right? What does that mean? The activation process we have started. Now we need to capture the markets state by state, every district and every place, the distributors who are there. I want everyone to see this video. What you will do, that I will say first. Now, what is the problem? China related problem. Labor you cannot handle. I can do work with any, I can make the work do by any people. What I am payment I am leveraging, that is uncontrolled. What and where I can have control is the system supplementary profiling. Which are the, what are the components coming in our country? If you go to Ministry of Ports, there you will see the get hardly 150 200 importers are there. You will get the names from there. I do not import. I do not import. I do not deal with China. From there you will get. Then the names you can see, who are getting importing things from where. You need to enlist with the Ministry of Shipping ki what are the products that are to be enlisted. From there also you can understand. Plus in government figurines also, DP World, many other segmentations, you will see what are the products that are coming in India, where are they leveraged, which industry, which segment, ICT, कंट्रोल सिस्टम को आपको तोड़ना है, कंट्रोल सिस्टम. Okay, so the first thing that is to be done is that key. So up to this part everything is clear. It's not about fiscal deficit or leverage. It's about how things are captured. How things are captured. Now bigger question, who is supporting the whole system? Okay, here for 1 minute. Okay, what is important, what I feel, this problem can be eliminated only through geopolitics. It has 2 to 5% of the job. Just one thing that you need to do is that key, the whole semi critical mineral semiconductor which is controlled by any country. 80 to 95% of the ICT component is controlled by country. Just by a consensus and voting in United Nations or maybe on international federation body, it should come under one international body, so that every country as per their own needs can buy it from the international federation, not from any country. That is the only job where geopolitics is required, nothing more than that. Otherwise, what will happen? India can set 6, 7, 8. It can become the next Silicon Valley. It can set up the supply chain semiconductor hubs. But the moment you are designing segmentations for ICT, AI, computer graphics, each and every portion, you need the supply chain regimentation that you need to buy from China. नहीं होगा. You cannot control the system. Just one voting consensus, it will be determined by international federation from where every country can buy. European Union, US government, we will buy Argentina, Latin America, CARICOM associations, everyone breaking the dictatorship and anatomy. That's all the job of geopolitics, 2 to 3%. If they can do it, fine. Otherwise, this problem will stay, irrespective of how we destroy the economy. Second, I have done deep research on it. It's being designed by one fabrication company that is based on Singapore. Okay, that is based on Singapore, means the production line is going on in Taiwan. I have analyzed the entire credential of the company. Its base mothering is coming from Singapore. Now, Singapore economy needs to be get destroyed. It's as simple as that. How will you destroy? Very easy. I had a talk with 2 to 3 people who stay over there. They only told me that nothing grows over there. Everything comes from import. Destabilize the economy. Destabilize the economy. Export whatever products you can. Tea, rice, food product, chemical products, non-chemical products, agro, fiber, whatever it is. Dump it with fiscal deficit. Destabilize नहीं करना है, खत्म करना है. Once it gets destabilized, this whole supply chain will reverberate, and this whole supply chain will reverberate, and automatically uh, this China segmentation economy will start revolting. Within 1 to 2 months, our entire supply chain system it's getting ready at low cost confidentiality. The products which have been installed, how you will get to know who are the people who are importing what products, where are they installed, everything is there. I have analyzed it. उसको उठा के बाहर फेंकना है. Just need to put it, throw it out of your country. As simple as that. As low degraded profiling products. One. Second, the job of the distributors. Now I will talk as a businessman. Gather as many companies as you can. As many companies as you can. From where you will get, how you will get, I do not care. 7 to 10 days. Let our supply chain rule 7 to 10 days. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स को पकड़ो, सेमी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स को पकड़ो, स्टेट बाय स्टेट. आवर ओन ICT products, they will be made in India, they will be supplied through distributors, through vendors, to semi vendors, whoever it is, जहाँ से हो आप आदमी लेकर आओ. And that will be integrated in our factories, that will be integrated in our ICT segmentations, in our data processing units, and every segmentation. That is the job of the distributors. At what cost, from where you will do, how we will do, nothing required. 7 to 10 days. Let our supply chain come into existence. Then we, through these people, conquer every state. If possible, make office in every state. Talk with DP World, talk with other logistic support segmentations. I want it in every state. That's your job. After that, conditionalize it in foreign countries. Set up one office, check distributors, check sub distributors, go for amalgamation, go for merger and acquisition. The whole chain should be under your control. So, right at this point of time, blocking the Indo-Pacific, that is the last phase. How you will do in one complete video, I will give everything. It's economic war. What requires, how you will go for India, that Indian Ocean choke point, what are the lateral segmentations needed. Every step I will say in 2 videos, 20 to 40 minutes. I'm doing deep, detailed research for that right now. So, what is required? You're seeing what are the products coming, port management data, जो भी facilitation है उसको उठा के बाहर फेंक दो. One. Second, phytosanitary and all these configuration segments say we can block China. Three, distributors, you know what job you have been given. Fourth, capture markets, international markets. Together we will all boom, and that is the going to be the end of a country or Singapore economy. How it will be destroyed, I have said before. Do as much of export that you want. Put it under fiscal deficit, destroy the economy. It's as simple as that. with next two videos, someday 3 to 4 days you do all those things, give government time, then I will say what to do, choke points and all those things. It's economic war, not nothing military. Thank you. All the best.